Welcome to Best Choice. The best Mack suspension is probably one of the most critical components for any heavy-duty truck, directly impacting not just the comfort of the driver but also the safety, longevity, and overall operational efficiency of your rig, making the right choice absolutely paramount for anyone serious about their trucking business or personal fleet. Number 5. TRX All-in-One Home Gym System. This complete suspension training kit is designed for full-body workouts. It allows you to train anywhere, anytime, using only your body weight. It helps you build muscle, burn fat, and strengthen your core. You'll also increase cardio endurance and improve flexibility, transforming how you look and feel. This system easily anchors to doors, beams, trees, or poles. Take it to the beach, park, or hotel, making any location your personal gym. It's safety tested to support up to 700 pounds, ensuring reliability. Used by the U.S. military and pro athletes, it comes with a 2-year warranty. Get unlimited access to over 500 on-demand workouts through the Training Club app. These are guided by world-class certified trainers, helping you achieve any fitness goal. What we like. This system offers unparalleled versatility for your fitness journey. It allows you to transform any space into a gym, from your living room to the great outdoors. If you are looking for a flexible, effective workout solution that adapts to your lifestyle and location, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Number 4. Beaquicy W10780048 Washer Suspension Rod Kit. Does your washing machine vibrate or shake excessively during cycles? This common issue can be frustrating and indicates a need for attention. We have the perfect solution to restore its smooth operation. Our upgraded suspension rod assembly is designed to support your washing tub, maintaining its stability even with unbalanced loads. Acting as a shock absorber, it minimizes vibration during rotation, ensuring a quieter wash. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and silica gel, these rods are built to last, resisting breakage for a long service life. Their convenient hook-type design makes installation straightforward and hassle-free. This comprehensive kit includes 4 rods, suspension balls, and bushings, providing all necessary parts for a standard installation. It often resolves the unbalanced load error in cabrio-style machines, restoring proper function. These suspension rods are compatible with a wide range of washer models from brands like Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and more. Simply check your washer's model number to ensure a perfect fit. You can easily install these rods yourself, eliminating the need for a professional repairer. Just remember to turn off power and water, wear gloves, and follow simple instructions or online videos. We stand by the quality of our product with a generous 5-year after-sales service guarantee. If you encounter any issues, our team is ready to provide prompt support and ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. Say goodbye to noisy, shaking washing machines with this essential kit. It's designed to restore balance and quiet operation to your appliance, making laundry day much smoother. If you're experiencing an unbalanced load error or excessive vibration and want a straightforward, cost-effective fix, this replacement kit is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Mattel Disney Pixar Cars Mack Hauler. Get ready for adventure with this iconic transporter. It's perfect for taking your entire Cars collection on the road. This 13-inch truck boasts 2 levels of storage. It can comfortably carry up to 12 of your favorite Cars characters. Simply open the back to reveal a convenient ramp. Use it to roll cars onto the first deck or launch them into exciting races. The upper level also transforms. Lower it to create another ramp for effortless loading and quick unloading of vehicles. With space for so many beloved characters, it promises endless storytelling possibilities. This makes it an excellent gift for kids and Cars fans alike, aged 3 and up. What we like. This hauler is more than just a toy, it's a mobile command center for your favorite characters. With space for a dozen vehicles and a fun, functional ramp, it brings the world of Cars to life. If your child loves imaginative play and wants to transport their entire collection for endless adventures, this is a fantastic gift. What people say. The Mack Suspension provides excellent stability and control on various terrains. Its robust design ensures durability and a long service life, even under heavy loads. The advanced dampening system significantly reduces road vibrations, offering a smoother ride. Number 2. Detroit Axle 12 PC Front-End Suspension Kit for Ford Expedition F-150 Navigator. Introducing the comprehensive 12-piece front-end suspension kit from Detroit Axle. This kit is designed to restore your vehicle's handling and stability. Please note, this high-quality kit is specifically engineered for two-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive models. Ensure your vehicle matches this configuration for optimal performance. It's a perfect fit for various Ford Expedition, F-150, F-250, Lincoln Navigator, and Blackwood models from 1997 to 2003. Check the full list of compatible years and engine types to confirm. This extensive kit includes everything you need for a full front-end refresh. You'll find lower ball joints, upper control arms, tie rod ends, sway bar links, and both idler and pitman arms. These components are manufactured to meet the rigorous demands of modern vehicles. They are designed for both foreign and domestic passenger cars, trucks, and SUVs, ensuring reliable performance. For your peace of mind, this kit comes with a robust 10-year warranty. It stands behind its quality and durability, offering long-term assurance. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything needed to restore your vehicle's front-end performance. It ensures a precise fit for specific Ford and Lincoln models, guaranteeing optimal handling and safety. If you own one of the compatible 2WD vehicles and need a reliable, long-lasting solution for suspension repair, this kit offers exceptional value and peace of mind. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, it is not possible to extract specific points about Mack Suspension. Number 1. Mattel Disney Pixar Cars Radiator Springs 3-pack. Get ready for adventure with your favorite characters from Radiator Springs. This pack includes Lightning McQueen, Sheriff, and Mater, all crafted in a detailed 1/55 die-cast scale. Each vehicle boasts true-to-movie decorations and unique personality details. Their signature expressions bring them to life, just like in the film. Designed for fun, their wheels really roll. This allows for exciting push-around play, letting imaginations race. This set makes a unique gift for fans of all ages. It's perfect for anyone who loves the world of Disney and Pixar cars. You can collect all the 1/55 scale themed 3-pack vehicles to create an exciting cars display. Each additional pack is sold separately, subject to availability. What we like. Dive into the heart of Radiator Springs with this charming trio of die-cast vehicles. Each character is crafted with true-to-movie details, perfect for display or play. If you're a fan looking to start or expand your collection with beloved characters that capture the spirit of the film, this pack is a must-have. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.